Alright, so today we're not going to do really anything too exciting, or rather we're not going to make any kind of cool projects. I mean, I got a few bacon over there, and I got the Yosemite Sam to finish up. But I got this stash of plywood over here. This really nice stash of plywood. They all come from a friend of mine, all packaged, so I never know what I'm really gonna get. Whatever scraps from finished kitchens I get. And so we're just gonna go look and see what kind of stuff we got. So this is the first piece. Really nice. I almost feel bad for turning this into arts and crafts. I get this like every couple of months or something. But what you gonna do? You know, you gotta sacrifice for art and beauty. So this is the first piece. Let's open another one. Next one, really nice. But I don't even know what this is, but it's like a weird T-shaped kind of frame. Come on, boy. So it's almost like a little ledge over here. So I don't know if I can do some kind of a stand that I can lean things on, but this is really wild. All right, let's throw this out of here. Look how cool this looks though. This is a little brown right here, but it's almost ready to go and be attached to that sign over there. But let's look at what else we got. These two are just plain basic. They're just white. Actually, this one's like gray, but those are perfect for some of my projects because they're boring. I don't feel it's bad sacrificing. They're perfectly flat, and it's a lot easier to stencil on these than whenever you stencil on these. A lot of times it's hard to see. So let's keep on seeing what else we got. Really cool. I've never seen this color yet. Let's just pull this out. Oh, it's like a box of chocolates. Look at that. I might have to come up with something that I don't even. And it's two pieces too. So it's like a, I don't know if the camera will pick it up right, but it's almost like a dark, there you go, we can see now. Like almost like a dark blue, navy bluish color. Oh, I like that a lot. Oh, that's so sick. All right, we're just gonna slide this out. Let's see what in the last box. I don't think I'm gonna touch these quite yet. I don't really have the storage space there. Well, I do, but I don't want it to be too tight. So let's see what we got here. Very exciting. It's like life is like a box of chocolates. Saka, you excited? Here we got one natural. Actually, no, never mind. They're like this really pretty dark color. So, and I got three here. So I'm gonna have, I've been running short on the 1/4 inch, so I'm gonna have a boatload, and I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more boxes to get through. Very excited. Short little video, very exciting for me. I really enjoy getting the new fresh plywood. This means I can do all kinds of crazy projects. I get a little anxious when my stash over there is running low, and next thing you know, I'm like, am I gonna have enough to do the right projects and so forth? But now all is safe, all is well, and let's get to the next one, whatever. So the next one was actually white, but the one after that, look at that, it's like a cherry. Real pretty. And that blue is pretty cool. I gotta do something with that. Man, I do feel bad. But the old boy disagrees. The old boy says chop it all up, make it pretty. So, alright, we'll leave it at there. I really shouldn't touch those. So this is really nice right there. Not sure what color is this. This one is very like a Scandi style one. I got another of the cherry kind of color. Got a bunch of whatever the cardboard to sort out now. But I started putting some stuff away, and actually it's fitting quite well. Once you organize stuff, apparently it's pretty fitting. So we're gonna go ahead and throw that there, and look at all this junk just sitting around here. So I gotta clean all that up as well a little bit. Everything fits real nice, real clean. So plywood Christmas. Woo! Real nice. So I gotta sort out all those boxes now around me. And that's it. But yeah, so if you ever need some plywood and whatnot, check out your kitchen cabinet companies around. Maybe you'll find a guy like I do and have a good friend, and you'll be able to get yourself some sweet hookups with the pieces that they just don't need whenever they make custom kitchens. There's a little bit of leftovers, and that's what I get, and it's perfect for all my signs and arts and crafts. And as you can see, it just doesn't take up any room, And that's probably my next 2 months, 3 months supply of random arts and crafts projects. But thanks for watching, great success, I'll see you later.